borrowing books. And then e-reference. And the last one will be the document delivery service. Okay, for document delivery service, it's actually quite similar to interlibrary loan, which means that in the form of document or articles. Okay, for example, let's say if you want to read or use an articles that use the articles that not been subscribed by the library, you can apply to through document delivery service. Okay, so our librarian will find the document for you. Okay, and then we move on to borrowing policy. Okay, you can see on the open shelf books, we offered or we give you 15 books for 30 days. For right spot material, 1 book for 2 hours, or you can perform overnight loan, 9 p.m. until 10 a.m. in the next morning or the next day. And then computer format material, 1 CF for 3 days. Okay, this is for the borrowing policy. And then, okay, these items is that you cannot borrow, which is you can only use it inside the library building, such as like bound journal, current protocol, reference material, and media collection. So these 4 type of item is you cannot borrow. Okay, and then let's move on to the renewal and hold. For renewal, like I mentioned before, we give you 3 times online renewal. Okay, you need to perform the renewal 3 days before the due date of the items or of the books, and then 3 times for each item. And how to do it? You can go to the elite or online renewal service through your own personal account, web account, library counter. You need to bring your ID or the books. You can call us. You can chat with us through our online chatting. Okay. I will show you the elite or online renewal service through library web pack. First, you go to the library portal. Okay, and then okay, you can see the library pack tab here. Okay, you click this one, and you just go, you just click search. Okay, you're already in the MMU library OPEC, so you need to log in here. Okay, okay. Once you log in, you can see this is the page. You can see this one, the account tab here. You click to my account. Okay, and you can see, let's see, if you borrow books from the library, it will appear here. Okay, so at the end of your um, borrowing period, it will have like a renewal button here. So this will be the things that you need to do before 3 days before the due date. Okay, you need to click the renewal button. Okay, so you can view your account. Account will be the any outstanding balance here. Let's say if you have any fines and so on, you can view under account. Okay, that's under my account at library web OPEC. Okay, that one will be the renewal, and then hold on item. Okay, let's say if you want to hold a book, basically the books currently being borrowed by other students. Okay, to hold them, you need to visit the library counter, and then you need to provide the item information like titles, book, call number, and then once the item available, you need to collect the item within 7 days. Upon notification, accept red spot item 30 minutes. Okay, and the whole item cannot be renewed by the borrowing user. Okay, once you hold the item, you cannot renew the books. Okay, you need to return back to the library. Okay, all right. Let's move on to All right. Okay, platform at the library. Normally, at the library, we have a few platform for you to search for the information or collection of resources. So the first one will be Mulia 3.0. This one. Mulia 3.0 is basically is the search engine for you to search all collection in the library. You can search for books, journals, papers, newspaper, pictures, and so on, news using the Mulia 3.0 discovery. Okay, so from the library portal, here you can see the first tab, Mulia 3.0. You just, for example, this one I use keywords, okay, knowledge management, and then I click search. Okay, if you are off campus, normally it will require you to log in to off campus access or open attendance. So normally this one will be use your campus username ID and password. Okay, have you tried access off campus before, any of you?
Yes, I tried.
Okay, is there any problem that you encountered?
No.
Okay, so far so good. Okay.
Yep.
All right, thank you. Okay, once you log into the off-campus, the open entrance, it will redirect you to Mulia page here. Okay, as you can see, this platform or search engine have a few functionalities for you to view. Okay, the first one will be the research starter. This one, for the research starter, normally it will give you a brief information about the terms, search terms that you included into the system. For example, this one I use knowledge management as my search keyword. So it will give me the research starter will appear knowledge management. Okay, let's say if you want to read or get a brief information about the of the search terms that you include. So you can click to the research starter. Okay. So it gives you like definition and then the background of the search term like this one for knowledge management. Okay. Then okay, some of the bibliography. And then for this one, knowledge management, this basic information is provided by Salem Press Encyclopedia. So instead of like you go to the Google search for using the Wikipedia or any internet sources, so you can use this one also to as your basic information about that particular system. Okay, as you can see on your screen, on the search result, okay, you can see on the first one, the the system will pull out all collection in the library. This one for the ebook, okay, you can see the call number, the status, and then this one also, this one is the printed books, okay, at Melaka campus, the status. Okay, let's say if you want to view the only ebooks or books in the library, you have uh, use refine search or refine result in your left hand side here. You click to MMU catalog. So the system will automatically pull out all the result related to books and ebooks and so on. Okay. For this one, for example, they have MMU Cyber. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll uncheck this one. Let's say if you want to view the articles, same methods you can click to scholarly journal or link full text. So you can see this one will be the articles. Okay, straight away they give you a PDF full text is if available. So you can click to this particular PDF to download to your laptop or PC. Okay. Okay. So again, Mulia it's very powerful tools for you to use to search for the MMU library collection. However, you need to bear in mind because if you need to do something like specific search, okay, because right now, as you can see on your screen, they have about 100,000 over result here. So I mean, no, 4 millions, okay. So it is important for you to do something like your search strategy to selecting all the things that you need in your paper. Okay, you also can refine the publication dates here. Okay, you can slide the sidebar here, for example. Okay, so okay, for example, you can change. Okay, right. So this will be the filtering functionality for you to use. Okay. Right, Formula 3.0, and then I move on to the digital library database and journal platform. This one will be the list all the database subscribed by the library. Okay, how to get to this list? What you need to do is go to the library portal again, and then you go to the under digital library. Okay, for this one, it will be the two kind of link here. Okay, the first one, ebooks and online database. Open items. Okay, for the open items one will be the for you to access our database list off campus. Okay, let's say I click to the open items. Okay, because previously I already signed in to Open Athens. So this is all the database that we or library subscribe. So you can use this one. Okay, for example, management. Okay, I will take example for Emerald. For example, I click to Emerald. For information, Emerald will be the most common one for you to search any articles in management field. Okay, once you log into Open Athens, and then you need to verify whether you already authenticate. To do that, you need to view. Okay, for example, for this one, Emerald, they have like Welcome Multimedia University. So if you see these indicators, and then you immediately know that you have already authenticate and access to subscribe content from MMU library. Okay, this one for the online database. Okay, okay, another one. Okay, digital library, and then you can see another one will be the ebooks and online database. The second one will be um, we actually for the MMU library we collect all the free resources, okay, free resources or open access resources. We put it in one system. Okay, this one, for example, I click to this. Okay, in the okay for this one, you can view all resources that subscribed by the library and the free resources. Okay, to view the free resources, you can click to the free tab here or free button here. This one will be the free resources. Okay, and for the as compared to Open Athens only the contents that we subscribe. However, for this one or for e-resources, this one we combine free resources and paid, okay, subscribe version. Okay, so it's up to you to use which content or which platform. So for the second one, you can view by resources type here. Same thing, you can click to like online database. Also, we have the subscribe content. Okay, you can see this log here. So again, you click to this one, you need to log in to the Open Athens or account. Okay, the same thing. And then, for example, let's say if you want to view the ebooks, you click to the ebooks. So this one will be the ebooks that have subscribed by the library and the free content. Okay. Okay, that one for the online resources or online database. Okay, let's me go back to the Emerald. Okay. All right. once you're already inside the database, okay, you can always use any keywords. For example, I use knowledge management here. All right. Um, Before I press enter or click this magnifying tools symbol here, um, if you want to search for any resources using the keyword that have this combination words, okay, I suggest to you to use like quotation marks here, okay, because in the any system or search engine, let's say if you search and this kind of search terms, if you not use quotation marks, the system will you know automatically search knowledge, okay, identify knowledge as one search term, management one search term, and knowledge management as the another search term. So to be safe, let's say if you want to know directly knowledge management as your search, I mean your search term, you need to use uh, quotation marks, okay. So the system will straight away know that, okay, you only want to view knowledge management search term or any items, okay. Click to search here. So basically, yeah, the system will search for you the knowledge management and it will get fewer results, okay. So it's easy for you to filter out any unwanted paper or items. And straight away here, you can see the content available is indicate that you can view the paper. Okay, for example, I want to view the paper. I click the PDF. Okay, this one. And you can always use advanced search. Okay, I click advanced search here to get more specific items that I need. Okay, again, I search for knowledge management and I add row here. Maybe I want to know Malaysia. Okay, and you can see on this drop down they have all field. Okay, maybe I want to view knowledge management that appear in title. Okay, if you leave it all field, okay, the system will search the terms in all parts of the articles. Okay, maybe in the all in the title, in the keywords, in the abstract, reference, and so on. Okay, in the body of the article. So, if I want to limit my search result, maybe I want to restrict to title only. So, the system will know that any search term related to knowledge management that appear in title, okay, the system will pull out that item for me. Okay, and then you can always search for the date range here. Access type, maybe I want to view the only content that I have access to, because let's say if you leave out all content, it may the system may include the unsubscribed items inside your search result. Okay. Okay, I click search. Okay, you can see right now I have about 163. Okay, you can see on the title because I already restrict my search rules. Okay, the knowledge management search only on the title. So you can see this one knowledge management at the title of the article. Okay, knowledge management. Okay, okay. That one will be the online database. Basically, other database use the same principle. Okay. Okay. Next will be a digital library in house. This one we develop a digital application for our students, and mostly for the past year exam paper, final year project, MMU, MBA thesis, dissertation. Okay. This one for digital library in house. To get to this particular platform, you can go back to ebooks and all database, open item, this one, or you can click straight away to MMU thesis or MBA thesis. Okay, for example, let's say if you want to view past year exam paper, you click to the past year exam paper, and then this one you need to proceed, and then again you need to login. Okay, okay, this one for the exam paper search. Okay, this one you need to put subject code for that particular paper that you want to view. Okay, maybe I just do a simple search. Okay, okay, but this one will be the paper. Okay, and then this one Max 2013 will be the subject code here. Let's say if you want to download, just click to the full text view, and then you can click download for the full paper or exam paper. Okay, and then again for the MBA thesis, okay, I go to MBA thesis. Okay, I just do a search. Okay, for example, for this one, you can click to the title to view a brief information about this thesis. Previous, let's say if you want to read the full text for the paper or for the thesis, you can click to the full text view here, and then you can download the full thesis paper. Okay, we'll down the button here, right? Okay, the next one will be the search A to Z. This one, let's say if you have a specific journal titles that you want to view, you can use search A to Z search platform. Okay, from the library portal, you click to A to Z here. Okay, for example, okay, I use Journal of Internal Auditing. I want to view this journal. Then I click search. Okay, all right. Okay, as you can see here, we search for the journal for the journal title. For example, let's say if I want this one, Internal Auditor, you click to the title. Okay, they have full text access through ABI Inform Collection and Business Source Complete. So let's say if I want to view the article from Internal Auditor journals, okay, Internal Auditor would be the journal title. So you need to click to the link. Okay, for example, for this one, I click to Business Source Complete. And let's say if you use this, let's say if you search for the journal title, first you need to have like specific items or information like volume, journals, volume issues, titles, and so on. So you need to do something like um, a few steps for you to get to the article. For example, for this one, I need to filter out by year. For example, I want to view article in 2012, for example, issue 99, issue 6, and so on. You need to filter this one. Okay. That one for search A to Z. And then library opaque. Okay, I have a demo for you from library portal. You go to the library opaque here. Okay, you put any with any keyword. Okay, for example, I try consumer behavior. Okay, okay, you can see this one. They have one item in Melaka, cyber. Okay, it's very straightforward. Um, all right, and then we move on to the recommended book collection. This one is allow you to get the list of book or textbook by subject code or name. Okay, let's say if you want to know current maybe this semester you enroll to subject A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, and you want to know what the list of textbook or reference list, you can search through the recommended book collection. From the reporter, you can see here recommended book collection, and then you um, put subject code to search. Okay. Okay, maybe something happened to this website. Okay, somehow the web is down. So yeah, and I will let our technical teams information about this. Okay, let's move on to the MMU Digital Repository. Okay, for the MMU Digital Repository, actually MMU collect or preserve all the MMU research publication through the MMU Digital Repository. So you can view any publications that has been published by MMU communities, okay, including thesis and so on. Okay, to go to the MMU Digital Repository, you go to the Digital Library here, and then you click to MMU Institutional Repository. Okay, okay, this one for the paper. Okay, any questions so far? Everybody good? Okay, so I just for the next slide will be the information searching. To sum up, search engine like Mulia 3.0, OPAC, Search A to Z, Funded Project, Database, MMU thesis, you can search using keyword search, phrase search, truncation search, and Boolean search. Okay, and for the RBC or recommended book collection and past year exam paper, we will use the subject code. Okay, for you to search the information. Okay, for the online resources for management, we have subscribed to under research support. We have subscribed to journal citation report, scopus, and progress dissertation and thesis. Okay, for journal citation report is for you to know the journal performance like impact factor and the journal quartiles. You can use journal citation report for you to view. Okay, for the journal performance. For Scopus, it's more on the abstract and citation database for peer-reviewed literature. Okay, and then for the ProQuest dissertation thesis is the collection of theses around the globe on all subjects. And then for multidisciplinary, we subscribe to Springerling. Science Direct also, we subscribe to, you can view the full text scientific and technical publication. And they also have like social science and humanities inside the Science Direct database. And then for the specific database to relate to management, business management and accounting, economics and finance, this one will be the full text database. We subscribe to Enroll, ProQuest and EBSCO-host. Okay. And for statistic, we subscribe to Bloomberg Professional and ISI Imaging Market. Okay, for the Bloomberg Professional, this one is a terminal base. However, we library managed to get an agreement with the Bloomberg Professional and allow our user to access this Bloomberg services through online. Okay, so let's say if any of you would like to access to the Bloomberg uh, at your place or at your home, or off campus, please register to this Bloomberg Anywhere. Okay, I will paste this link to add the chat box. Okay, you need to fill up the details. Okay, you need to fill up the details, and then once you already register through that particular forms, our librarian will process your registration. Okay, and then our librarian will contact you on how to set up the Bloomberg Professional at your desktop. Okay, and then for the ISI emerging market, this one is quite similar to Bloomberg Professional. They have company information, finance. And this one ISI is more. It can be accessed web based. Okay. So for finance or statistical database, we have Bloomberg and ISI emerging market. Okay. And then, okay, off-campus access, you need to log in through Open Athens and use your username will be your student ID, and then the password will be use your campus password. Okay. Let's say if you have any problem regarding off-campus access or library account user ID and password, you may revert back to us. Okay, you can email to us or call. Okay. Um, I think that one I already cover on the collection resources. Before I move on to the citation, is there any issues or any problems or questions that you want to ask? Okay, if no, I will proceed to the citation. Okay, for the citation is basically the most common thing that you will have when you writing your thesis, okay, or your work. And the citation is the let's say if you take others finding or statement from other works or other authors works, you need to cite them. Okay. In citation they have five elements in citation. The first one will be the author's name, the title of the books, articles and journal, and they have a date publication, page number, and the last one will be the volume and issue number. This one for article. Okay, this is the basic elements in citation. And the citation style. Okay, we have the ACS, IEEE, APA, MLA, and I believe that MMU they will use the APA, right? So what to cite? Okay, you need to cite information including facts and figures, full sentence in use publication, in other publication, as a phrase or word from a person. Okay, this one you need to cite. This is the example of the citation style. Okay, ACS, IEEE, APA style, and MLA style. Okay. Normally, let's say if you view any articles, journals, normally you will find the citation at the end of the paper. Okay, this is the basic format for the citation. The first one will be the basic format for books. Okay, because books and a journal they have a different kind of format. Okay, the second one will be the journal format, citation format. And okay, this is just for your information. Later on, I will share with you the slides and you can read at your own. Okay, then we move on to in-text citation. And for this one, basically, they have a short, long, or direct quotation, and they have like summary or paraphrase. Okay, for the short, long, direct quotation, you need to use in your in-text citation, starting the author's name, followed by in bracket year. And let's say if you direct quotation, direct copy and paste from the paper, you need to put a quotation marks and followed by the page number. Okay. Let's say if you want to quote indirect source, for example, you read an article in paper A, and in a paper A, you found that the authors use a very useful statement that you want to use them in your paper. Okay, you can use the indirect source. For example, Johnson is the statement that you read from Smith. Okay, okay, you need to put that Johnson argued that followed by the statement in bracket as cited in Smith with the journal paper that you have or you read. Okay, followed by year and the page. Okay, the next one will be the summary of paraphrase. Okay, this is a very common one, and normally I will advise students to use summary or paraphrase because as you know that our faculty will check your writing using the software, right? Using the Turn It In software. So let's say if you directly copy and paste from other paper, the chances for you to get the high percentage of similarity is very very likely. Okay, let's say you copy and paste, and then the system will check the similarities. The percentage will be high. Okay, so that's why I suggest or I advise to you to use summarize or paraphrase. Okay, I'm not sure how many percent, so maybe you can consult your supervisor later on and ask them how many percent that MMU accepted for the similarities. Okay. Okay, let's say if the author is more than one author, okay, two author, you need to put N, okay, the first author and the second author. And then let's say for the 3 to 5 author, you need to list all the author. Let's say the second time you use the statement from the same article, you need to use first author followed by et al. And let's say for the paper is have six and above, you list the first author names followed by et al. So this one you can always refer back to this slide. Let's see if you have any doubt for this in-text citation. So okay, for APA style, okay, you need to use the past tense or present tense perfect tense when using a signal phrase to describe earlier research. Okay, for example, Jones 1998 found, or Jones 1998 has found. Okay, so please note all sources that use in-text citation must appear at reference list. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the citation management software. Okay, for the citation management software, it's a tool to help you to manage your reference and utilizing bibliographic citation. Okay, this software will automatically generate the citation format for you. And for MMU, we encourage you to use Mendeley. Okay, it's a free software for you that you can use in your desktop. Okay, for Mendeley, you need to create account first. Okay, you go to the Mendeley website. Okay, www.mendeley.com. Okay, here. Before you can download the software, you need to sign in and then you can download. For example, I just click download. Okay, you need to download this software and then you can install in your desktop. Okay, So for Mendeley, they have three environments. The first one will be the Mendeley desktop. Desktop will be the software that installed in your computer, and then the next one will be the Mendeley web, where you can log into your account on web, and then the last one will be the mobile version. Okay. Okay, Mendeley for citation and bibliographies. Okay, you need to create free account. Okay, I already installed the Mendeley software inside my computer here. Okay, as you can see on your screen. The Mendeley, okay, in the middle will be your Mendeley library. Okay, all the references that you imported into this software will be appear here. And for example, okay, for the Emerald here, okay, I search for the article. Okay, normally for Mendeley, I suggest to you to download two type of files in that database. Okay, the first one will be the PDF for the full text for you to read, and then the second one will be the RIS files format. Okay, that one is for Mendeley. For example, for this one, okay, I download this article. Okay, I save it here. Okay, the PDF I already download. And then for RIS format, okay, this one is for the Mendeley or citation file. Okay, I download the RIS. Okay, okay. So in my Mendeley library, I just click import. Okay, you can see they have a BibTeX, EndNote, and RIS. Okay, I click to RIS. Okay, I need to find the folder. All right, this one Emerald inside citation. This one RIS file. I click open. So already okay, and then you click to the recently added. Okay, knowledge management implementation. This one I already imported into my Mendeley library. Okay, so with this I can also attach a file. Okay, I add the file here, the paper that I've been download along with the citation file. Okay, right now already here. You see the PDF. So let's say if you want to read, you just click to the PDF file. Okay, you can do a highlight. Okay, and then you can put note here. Okay, like finding, for example. Okay, it's very like interactive way for you to read the PDF. Okay. Okay. You can, let's say if you forgot to download the RIS format file, you can always drag the PDF inside your library. However, you need to check the details here. Okay, let me show you another round of example. For example, for this one, I save this. Okay, yes. Okay. For example, for this one, I forgot to download the RIS file. I just drag here. It will automatically put the details of the articles. However, you need to verify here, okay? The details here, you need to verify whether it is correct or not, because it will reflect into your citation format later on, okay? All right, that will be the Mendeley. And then, okay, import the reference, okay, reference file. I will cover. And then the web importer, this one is more like the browser add-in, okay. You can install the Mendeley add-in into your web browser. And then you need, once you install the software, you need to have installed the MS Word plugin for you to do your to get a function that they call cite while you're write. Okay. For example, for this one, you go to the tools. Okay, this one I already installed in my MS Word. Okay, I open my MS Word. Okay. For example, this one will be my inside citation. Okay. Okay, I write something. Okay. And then I want to insert a citation. I just search for a citation. I click OK. And then uh, so I want to include the reference. I click to the insert bibliography here. So it will automatically generate the citation format for me. Okay. Then, for example, I want to insert another one. Okay. So it will automatically create the citation for me here. Okay. So it will save your time to do this kind of tedious job, because I know that if you write a thesis, there will be a lot of reference, right, that you use inside your paper or thesis. So using Mendeley will help you a lot. Okay. All right, I think for I finish for Mendeley. So is there any questions for you to ask about the Mendeley? Everything is okay? Okay, next I will move on to the MMU email. Okay, this one is very straightforward. Let's say right now we use the Google, and then you just put your user ID or your student email, and then your password. Okay, and then I move on to the Google Classroom or Meet. Okay, for the Google Classroom, I think it's very straightforward. Okay, from your account, once you log into your Google account, okay, here, and then you can just go to the Google Apps here and click to Google Classroom. Okay, if you want to enroll a class, you just click to the plus sign here and you can click join class. However, you will need a class code, okay, to enroll that particular class. Okay. For example, right now I already enroll to the literacy class. For example, this one. Okay, from your student view. Okay, the first one will be the stream view here, where you can see any announcement made by your lecturers. Okay, you can comment and you can see any posted new assignment. For example, let's say if your lecturers post any new assignments, you can see on your stream. Okay. Okay, announcement will be appear in the stream. Okay, and you have an option to leave a comment if this been enabled by a teacher. Okay, and any post assignment also will be appear on the stream. And let's say if you go to your classwork, okay, you can view any module, course outline, and any quiz, or you can view the assignment. Okay, classwork here, any pending and the assignment due date and so on, you can view at your classwork. Okay, and let's say if you want to submit your assignment, basically they have a assignment due date we given, and then the description, the marks, and the submission area. Okay, the submission area here you can submit your assignment. Okay, you can upload the file. Okay, you can turn in. Let's say if you want to unsubmit an assignment, you need to click unsubmit first, and then you need to re-upload again your assignment. Okay, you can see your all assignments and in your to-do list. Okay, you just go back here under the this one main menu under to-do list here. Okay, to view any pending tasks or pending assignments to submit. Okay, and in the classroom, okay, they also have the Google Calendar whereby you can see assignment due dates and the discussion question. Okay, due date will automatically added in the Google Calendar class. Okay, this one. I think the last one will be the Google Meet. Okay, Google Meet is the video communication service. Okay, this one for meeting and conference. And again, you go back to your profile here. Okay, this one will be the your profile and Google Apps. Under Meet, you click to Google Meet here. And then to start a meeting, very straightforward. You just click to new meeting here. Okay, you can start instant meeting or you can schedule in Google Calendar. Okay, let's say if you have a specific dates and time, you can schedule in advance in Google Calendar. Okay. And for now, let's say for this meeting, okay, let's say if you want to view the link, okay, you can go back to the Meet here on your left hand side. This one, the joining info here, you can give to your audience here. Okay. And you have capabilities to share or present during the using the Google Meet. Okay. Again, I have present to you. Okay. Currently, you can use your entire screen, window, or a Chrome tab. And then they also have the button here for you to mute or to on your mic. And then they also have a video cameras here button for you to enable and disable them. And the last one, they also have the messaging capabilities or chat here, chat box. Okay. All right. I think for me, I think that's all. Okay. Let's see if you have any problems regarding library, you can contact us through libdesk at mmu.edu.my. For Cyberjaya, you can call our library counter. Okay. Research Library, Melaka, Law, Johor. Okay. And then our library portal, vlib.mmu. and our online chatting, our online chatting here. Okay, you can always chat with us. And librarian for help. Okay, let's say you want to personally email me, you can email to me nizam.mohamed@mmu.edu.my, or anything related to research library to Madam Ikiani, Melaka, Irtika, Law Library with Madam Anissa, and Islamic Arts Library to Noraisa Hassan. Okay, I think that's all. Is there any questions before I end the session?
Yes, good morning, Mr. Nizam.
Morning.
Yeah, this slide you will email to us or we need to download somewhere. Download the.
Okay. For this slide, I will give to you later, but I need you to fill up the feedback form so that I can get your email address. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I will paste it at the chat box. Okay. Oh, Mohammed. Okay. Can you please show how to sign up into MMU VPN? Okay, for MMU VPN, actually this one is related to ITSD or IT department. Um, Maybe they have like oh, guidelines for that. Yeah, this one. Maybe you need to check their website for this VPN things. Okay, maybe they have sort of step by step for you to use the VPN. Okay. Another thing is like I suggest to you maybe you can refer to this website also. We have our specific website for research. Okay, so is if there any like research kind of topics that you want to know, you can always go to the research support here. Okay, we have like writing and publishing help, and like seeking ethics. Okay, a severe journal finder, and the citation management software. Also, we have include the links to the Mendeley and online research data repositories here, and index journal. So if you interested to know, you can always come to this website to view. Okay. So any questions?
Yeah, well, I got one question.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a PG student. I want to ask for the research library. Is that open for now?
Okay, for research library, we open Monday until Friday. So 9 until 5.
Okay, is there any
Mhm.
procedure because for the limitation of people due to the SOP?
Yeah, yeah. Basically, if I'm not mistaken, let's say if you want to come to the campus, you need to have like you need to obtain the permissions, right, from the faculty before you come in.
I'm not sure. That's why I'm checking with
Uh,
you first.
Yeah, yeah.
Nizam,
Yes, you need.
sorry, if you don't mind, if I don't, recently last week I wrote to IPS.
Uh-huh.
Then I spoke to I wrote to the Miss Ayu lah because she's in
Uh,
charge for the PG student.
okay.
Then after that she will reply to you. Then you just have to provide some details. Then after that they will issue the permission letter.
Uh,
And then addressing to the library. But you need to tell your slot which day and what time you want to use the library.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for the information. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. Basically, you need to inform faculty to get the permission letter. Okay. All right. So, any questions?
Good morning, Cik Shaharom.
Yeah, yeah. Morning.
Actually, I'm able to access to SHDL library, but
Mm-hmm.
when I go to the thesis, it
Mm-hmm.
is asking for the password again. But when I use the same password, I'm unable to access. So why is that? Huh?
Okay. Because the authentication actually we use a different system. So the first one that you able to log in is using the Open Athens, and the second one Easy Proxy. So due to that different system, maybe our system is not, I mean the ID and password or your account is not synchronized between those two different system. So I need you to kindly email to us about the your problem so that we can rectify it for you.
All right, sure. I
Mm.
will email to the library
Lib,
the email that you have given before, right?
yeah, libdesk.mmu, libdesk at mmu.edu.my.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. Okay. So, any of you already start writing your thesis right now? Already complete chapter one, or you still not start any writing yet?
Just started with research methodology class.
Okay. So it's very early. Yeah, I'm hoping that you can use any informations that I given before. You can install the Mendeley, because that will help you a lot in writing your thesis. Okay. So yeah, any questions? If not, I will end the session.
We are
Because I know,
required to fill the forms, right, Cik Syarul?
yeah. You need to fill up the form first, the feedback form, so that I can get your details, and later on I will share the video and the slide for you later through email.
Right. Sure. Thank you, Cik Syarul.
Okay. So in that case, I will end the session. And first, I will say thank you so much to all of you that attend this session this morning. And hopefully that my sharing session is beneficial for you. And, and good luck in your study and writing your thesis. And hopefully, and you can get something from this morning session. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe.
Thank you, Nizam.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Cik Syarul. Thank you so much.
Okay. Welcome.
Okay.